I'm going to show you how you can secure your crypto wallets such as Binance or MetaMask, and we are starting right now. So first I gotta remind you how important it is to secure your accounts or secure your wallets. Why it's basically hackers nowadays are really focusing on hacking this type of accounts because they get really big rewards and people are really putting their life saving in crypto wallets. So it's really a big win for them if they hack such an account. So you gotta really take this seriously and do all the steps that I'm going to show you right now. So as mentioned, in all centralized wallets there is these two things here. First one is identification and the second one is security. First, you gotta really complete your identification process with providing all the required informations. For example, the personal informations and government issued ID and facial recognition. So in case your account gets hacked or you lost access to your account, you just contact the support and they will take care of you and recover your account with you proving that you own this account with providing these things. You can also go for the verified plus with providing the proof of address, but it's not really important for the case that we are talking about right now. The second important thing is the security. You gotta complete all the security suggestions here. In this account I have the phone number verification and the email address verification. I'm going to add right in front of you this one as well, which is very important. Also I have to advise you to have another secret phone number that you are going to use on these wallets and all crypto wallets or all the sensitive informations such as bank accounts or crypto wallets or crypto exchange or anything that have really a big sensitivity. So if you really want to push your security to the next level, you gotta have a second phone number, a secret one that you don't use or don't give to anyone, and use it for security of your account. And the third thing is the Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator. I am not going to use both of them because it's really risky that you might lose your accounts if you use these applications. Why? Because both of these applications generates the code within your phone. So in case you lost your phone, you are not going to get the codes that are going to let you enter your accounts or make a transaction. So it's really risky that you might lose your funds. So I personally use another application that I find it really better and really problem solving, which is this one, Authy. This is an application for desktop. I have it also for my phone. Basically this one, it generates the codes or the access codes on the cloud. So in case you lost your phone or your phone gets stolen, you can always access all your accounts and access all your access codes. You can just go to the official website, which is authy.com, or you can just use the application on another phone or use it on the desktop. So it's really easy, and you can just go there and enter your password and your email. You can access all your codes again in different device. So for setup in this one, you can just click here on enable. It's super easy, and as I mentioned, you cannot use these ones, so we can just click here on next and save this code. It's very important to save this code because in case you lost your account or maybe something happened to your account, you can always use this code on another account or new accounts of Authy, of course, and it will generate for you a new code that you are going to use to access your account. And click here on next. So here they are going to confirm with you that you are the one who's trying to use this security step. So we are going to ask for your phone verification or email verification and the Authy verification. Also, if you want to protect your decentralized wallets such as MetaMask, it's super easy. You gotta just always keep that secret phrase composed of 12 words that you have got first when you open your account, and it's super easy to use, and you can always access your account using that phrase. Doesn't matter in any browser or any new computer. So the most important thing is the phrase. So we gotta always keep it secure and always save it in a safe place and never lose it, because it puts you on the risk of losing all the assets within that specific wallet. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. And also, if you got any questions or anything you want to understand, please drop it on the comments. I will answer your comments as soon as I can, and see you on the next video.